What is up, loud and proud cat? I hope you guys are doing absolutely awesome today. You guys absolutely rock. Thank you guys so much for all the decal orders the last couple of days. I first want to say you guys have been absolutely murdering, the merch game every single time, every single day. You guys impressed me, and I just want to say a huge thank you. We're definitely going places with this channel, and a lot of big things are going to happen. So I'm not going to keep you guys too long today, but I'm just going to give you guys a few quick little updates and kind of let you know why there's not going to be like an actual truck vlog for today. Yesterday, obviously, if you guys saw, and if you didn't see, definitely go check it out. I dropped a little keeper that was supposed to be to hold down the very back spring on cylinder 6, keep down that valve spring. Okay, I dropped a keeper like right around the AFC housing part of the truck when I was pulling my hand away from the truck. I like brushed my hand on a little blue rag right there and I dropped it somewhere. I heard a couple little clicks, like the thing dropped around, and whatever. That's gone, but I got a new one on the way. Actually, a new 4. I ordered 4 just because as soon as you lose one, you're gonna get the next one in, and then you're gonna lose another one, just kind of how it goes. But so those are on the way. Those should be here in a couple days. I called the company. I was like, listen, this is 5 to 15 days. Not gonna cut it. I need this here in 3 days. They're like, okay, got it. We'll send it out tomorrow. That's on the way. So that's going to be good. And I did have a bunch of people reach out and said they would send me some. However, I had already ordered. But thank you guys so much for reaching out for me and lending a hand in my time of need. So thank you guys so much. King Ranch has a new mod coming this week, probably later this week. I'm not going to guarantee it because it kind of depends on a couple of other things, like the air compressor is currently not working, which I gotta make some more calls today yet, and that's really why I'm not doing the truck vlog today. I got a lot of different calls and emails I gotta do, and I gotta play catch up on a bunch of stuff. You gotta get the compressor either swapped out, fixed, or figure out how we're going to get the thing working again. A member of the LNP team has sent in traction bars for the dually, so those are going to be coming up fairly soon. Before too long, that's going to be happening. I kind of would rather do like some wheels and tires and start to get some mods on the truck before I do those. But so yeah, thank you, dude. I will definitely give you a mention when we actually get to that project again. So huge shout out to you. So that's going to be coming in. I bought a small welder. Now, all you guys that actually weld are gonna probably laugh and giggle and think it's hilarious when you guys see the one that I bought. You'll see when it comes in, you'll see, why I bought it and stuff like that. And I've never done welding before. Actually, I've never have welded anything ever in my life. However, there are some things that I'm gonna need it for, and I figured spending blank amount on the thing like I did, it's gonna be well worth having if I can at least practice up a little bit before actually welding anything. But then I can use it, for example, the traction bars, the 4th gen seats going to my truck. I'm gonna have to fabricate some kind of small plate, and weld some stuff together. Just a few different things. There's a handful of different things. Exhaust stuff, like I could use a small welder for, certain things. So I bought one, and you'll see that very soon. I'll do kind of a little part of a video on that. Giveaway truck status. That is in the works right now of trying to sort out the exact truck that I want to, make a buy on. I've got my eye on 3 different trucks right now. The situation is just kind of different because they're all like very different trucks. One's super high miles and the price is super cheap, so it's like, okay, well, I'd have a lot less in that truck. But in the same sense, do I want to give a fan a high mileage, 300,000 mile truck? Probably not, you know what I mean? So I want to try to keep it to where it's like a respectable truck for anybody, when it comes to mileage and condition for anybody, whether they care if it's 300,000 miles or not. I want to make sure like it's a truck that you can get in, and if you want to keep the thing 10 years, you can easily keep the thing 10 years. You don't have to worry about mileage and wear and tear and stuff like that. There's a truck that's lower mileage, but it's a little bit more towards the top end of what I want to spend on a giveaway truck. Then there's one that's just kind of in the middle, lower mileage, price is pretty cheap, but it needs some rust repairs on the body, but the frame's good. So there's a bunch of different variables. So I mean, I'll sort that out. I caught my eye on one in particular that I'm kind of thinking is probably going to suit better for a giveaway truck, but it's actually a fan's truck, so he's probably going to see this video, know who I'm talking about. I'm going to make some phone calls and stuff like that regarding the giveaway build in terms of, expenses for transmission upgrades, wheel and tire stuff, bumpers, accessories, and horsepower stuff. I got to sort out all that stuff so I know how much money I'm actually going to have wrapped up in the truck, given the price asking on the truck, so I know my total end result, like what it's going to cost me to build this truck and give it away. There's all kinds of expenses that go into a giveaway. It's not just, a truck. Then you've got legal fees and inventory status and all different kinds of stuff. So that stuff's being worked on right now. So yeah, I mean, the build's just kind of on hold, Nasty Red, honestly. The goal was to try to start that truck up today. Just swap out the, some of the injector fittings and stuff like that with some new ones that we got sent in through Diesel Auto Power, because, after you seal your injectors down 3 times, you're going to want new copper washers and new little clips and stuff like that, just to make sure everything's, perfect again. This time it would be like installed and done. We wouldn't be taking them out anymore. Like they would be in, and done. That would be it. Yeah, it's just one of those days where it's in between, and I've got a lot of other stuff I gotta get focused on anyways to kind of catch up. I can use this as a day to catch up on stuff, you know, since I'm not gonna be filming, you know, an actual build video today. So anyways, guys, that's kind of the update stuff. By the way, if you guys want a decal, you guys want some merch, link in description. Definitely go and check those out. Really helps. We are getting those decals all over trucks, all over the nation and around the world. So thank you guys so much. You guys are awesome. Join the team. Team Bod and Proud. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.